Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a scrapbook with Shutterfly quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Shutterfly website or open the Shutterfly app. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the photo books section from the homepage. Select scrapbooks from the available options. Choose a scrapbook size that fits your needs. Pick a design or theme that resonates with your style. Click on Create to start your scrapbook project. Upload your photos by selecting the Upload button. Choose images from your device or import them from social media. Arrange your photos on the pages by dragging and dropping them. Use the editing tools to adjust image sizes and orientations. Add text to your scrapbook by selecting the Text tool. Choose fonts, colors, and sizes that complement your photos. Incorporate embellishments like stickers and backgrounds. Explore layout options to enhance the overall look. Preview your scrapbook by clicking on the Preview button. Make any final adjustments to your pages as needed. Once satisfied, click on Add to Cart. Proceed to checkout to review your order details. Input your shipping and payment information to complete your order. Wait for your customized scrapbook to arrive in the mail. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.